log in to below mentioned web link for applying for your PF settlement. First time user, please log in with your TeamLease employee ID or employee e-code, and password will be your date of birth in DDMMY format. First time user needs to change the password. New password should be a combination of alphanumeric and one special character, and reconfirm newly entered password. After entering password, click on change and password is changed successfully. You can create secret question to reset password yourself in future. To create new secret question, please click on add new. Enter your secret question and followed by answer and update the question. Question gets updated successfully. Click on to go to your home page. To view the balance of account, select year and click on generate annual slip. Before you apply for settlement, kindly update your address and bank details at member info employee details. To update your local address and permanent address along with your mobile number and email ID. Email ID should be given here, which can be used as a password to reset purpose. Please ensure while you are entering your address, all your line items have clear nomenclatures of alphabets and numericals. Please ensure you're entering your correct phone number. Once you have entered your email ID, and this email ID can be used for the password to reset the purpose of OTP will be sent to your mail ID which is registered here. This should be followed by KYC details and enter each document number and name on the document. If you do not have any KYC, kindly leave it blank and proceed further. Please enter your bank account number, bank name, branch name, MICR code or IFSC code if you do not have the MICR code, your bank address, the city where your bank is located, your bank located PIN code and state. Kindly check and verify once again. If any details are wrong, please correct it and click on update. System will ask to confirm details entered. If all details are correct, click on OK and records updated successfully. To apply for settlement, now click on Transactions, Settlement Application. Details updated at member info will be displayed here. Check if any of the details are not correct. Correct it as per your records. And documents to be uploaded. Each document should be of 500 KB size in JPG or EPFG or a PDF format. Your Aadhaar proof is mandatory here. And in case you have your salary bank account, which is given for crediting your monthly salary, please use that. If not, please use your cancelled check or bank pass copy. PAN card is optional for settlement application. Upload one by one each document proof. After uploading documents, read carefully and select declaration check boxes below. Click on Apply for Settlement. Once you click on to apply for settlement, please be sure you want to save the transaction. If all details are correct, click on yes. Settlement application is applied successfully. Amount will be now credited to your given bank account within 8 to 10 working days. If you face any difficulty while applying, please do send us an email at info@teamlease.com along with your employee code and error message or error details which is found during the application upload. Thank you.